Hello everybody, this is Teacher Bet again. Good morning. Welcome to our English class, kids. Today we will learn about the initial letter sound of W and X. But before that, let's sing the sound of letters W and X. Are you ready? You can sing along with me, kids. The W says W. The W says W. Every letter makes a sound. The W says W. The X says X. The X says X. Every letter makes a sound. The X says X. This is W. Upper W and lower W. It makes a W sound. Can you say W? Good job. This is water. Water begins with W. W. Water. Let's say together W for 3 times. W. 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 Water. W. Water. Good job. This is watermelon. Watermelon begins with W, as in W. Watermelon. Let's say W for 3 times. Ready? W. 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 Watermelon. Good job. Let's write upper and lower W and X. Ready your pencil and your paper, kids? Because we will practice writing later. Okay? Okay. Let's write upper W and lower W, kids. Now you can follow after me if you have your pencil and your paper there. Okay? Start. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. You're going to slant right and then slant up, slant down, and slant up. That's upper W. Let's go with lower W. Slant right, slant up, slant down, slant up. Let's practice one more time. We will write upper W and lower W for 2 times here. Okay? Now let's start. Upper W. Slant right, slant up, slant down, slant up. Upper W. Lower W. Let's go with lower W. Slant right, slant up, slant down, slant up. Let's lower W. Okay, let's try one more time. Upper W and lower W. Ready? Slant right, slant up, slant down, and slant up. Then lower W. Slant right, slant up, slant down, and slant up. That's lower W. It's easy to write, kids? Okay, keep on practicing this writing upper W and lower W, okay? This is X. Upper X and lower X. It makes an X sound. X sound. Can you say X? Good job. X. X. This is X-ray. X-ray. X-ray start with letter X, as in X. X. X-ray. Let's say X for 3 times. Ready? X. 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 X-ray. X. X-ray. Another is, let's start with letter X, is xylophone. Xylophone begins with X, as in X. X. Xylophone. Let's say it one more time. I mean for 3 times, kids. X. 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 Xylophone. Xylophone. Let's write upper X and lower X. I will write, kids, first, and then you can follow after me, okay? Okay, this is how to write upper X and lower X. What you're going to do is, you're going to slant to the right, okay? And then slant to the left. Upper X, very easy, no? All right, let's go to lower X. Slant to the right and slant to the left. Lower X. Let's write, or let's practice writing upper X and lower X, okay? For 2 times. Ready? Get your pencil and your paper, please. Ready? Slant to the right and slant to the left. Upper X. Let's go with lower X. Slant to the right and slant to the left. One more time. Ready? Slant to the right and slant to the left. Slant to the right and slant to the left. Upper X and lower X. All right, let's review, kids. Which picture start with letter W and X? You're going to identify, okay? Ready? Watermelon. What is the initial letter of watermelon? Anyone can guess? It's start with whoa. What letter is it? W. Good job. It's watermelon. Next, X-ray. Let's start with X. What is the initial letter of X-ray? Anyone can guess? It's X. Good job. X-ray. Okay, next. Xylophone. Xylophone. Start with, what is the initial letter sound or initial letter of xylophone? Start with X. Anyone? It's X again. Good job. Okay, we have the last one. Water. Water. What letter is it? Start. What is the initial letter of water? Anyone? Yes, good job. It's W. Water. Good job. Very good. Thank you. Let's have a short test about letter X, W, and X. Let's try if you really understand our lesson. Okay, number 1. Which letter begins with this picture? Anyone can guess this picture? Okay, watermelon. What is the initial letter sound of watermelon? Is it W? Is it W? Or is it X, as in X? Watermelon. Is it W? Or is it X? Choose your answer. The answer is W. Watermelon. W. Watermelon. Good job, kids. Number 2. What is this picture? X-ray. Yes, X-ray. What is the initial letter sound of X-ray? Is it X, as in X? Or is it W, as in W? Is it X, X-ray, or is it W, X-ray? Choose your answer, kids. Can you tell me the answer? Let's see. The answer is good job. X-ray. X-ray. Thank you, kids. Number 3. Anyone can tell me this picture? What's this? Yes, xylophone. What is the initial sound of the word xylophone? Is it W or W, as in W? Or is it X? Xylophone. Is it W or is it X? Xylophone. I know that you have your answer already. Now let's check it. The answer is X, as in xylophone. Xylophone. Very good. Number 4. Water. This is water, kid. Water. Is it W? Or is it X? Water. Is it W? Or is it X? What is your answer? You are right. It's W. Good job. Water. Water. Good job, kids. Let's go to number 5. In number 5, you're going to listen and choose the picture, okay? You will see the initial letter, and then you're going to choose the picture, okay? I will give you the initial letter and the sound, and then you're going to choose the picture, okay? Now let's start. X, X. Xylophone. Xylophone. Do you have your answer already? Which is a xylophone in there? Okay, let's see, kids. If you answer this, if you answer this picture, if you choose this answer, I mean this picture, you are correct. Xylophone. Xylophone. Good job. Number 6. Choose the picture. The initial sound is W. 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 Watermelon. W. Which of this picture start with W? W. Anyone? Okay, let's see here. The answer is W. Watermelon. W. Watermelon. Good job. Let's review again one more time, kids. And at the same time, let's wrap up. Okay? What are these letters? You can answer by yourself, kids. What are these letters? What sound of this letter? What is the sound of this letter? This is W. What is the sound of W? What sound of this letter? Letter X. What is the initial letter sound of these pictures? Watermelon. Water. Can you tell me what is the beginning letter of these pictures? All right, let us see if you can guess, kids. It begins with W. W. Begins with W as in W, as in watermelon. And water. Good job. Next. Xylophone and X-ray. Xylophone and X-ray. What is the initial letter sound of these pictures? Okay, kids, it's your time. It's your time to tell me the sound or the beginning letter of these two pictures. Can you tell me now? The answer is? Good job. It's as in X-ray and xylophone. Thank you, kids. Very good. So, any question, kids? If there is none, then Teacher Bet will say goodbye. See you again next time.